Finding high-quality audio gear does not have to empty your wallet. Today, I am sharing the absolute best wireless headphones under $100, bringing you incredible sound, deep bass, and all-day comfort without breaking the bank. Let us dive in. Product number 1. Sony Wireless Headphones Bluetooth On-Ear Headset WHCH520. When I want reliable everyday performance from a brand I trust, I immediately reach for this on-ear model. Sony has managed to pack a staggering 50 hours of battery life into an incredibly lightweight and comfortable frame. I am truly amazed that I can take these on multi-day road trips or long festival weekends without ever worrying about finding a charger. If I do happen to run low, a quick charge gets me back to my music in no time. The sound quality is fantastic out of the box, and I love using the dedicated smartphone app to fully customize the equalizer to match my personal taste. The built-in microphone makes hands-free calling crystal clear, allowing me to leave my phone in my pocket. Plus, the Swift Pair feature connects effortlessly to my computer, and multi-point connectivity lets me seamlessly switch between my laptop and smartphone. It is an outstanding value for anyone seeking premium features on a strict budget. Product number 2. Soundcore by Anker True Wireless Earbuds P20i. For those who prefer a compact, in-ear design, this true wireless option is an absolute steal. I am genuinely impressed by the oversized 10mm drivers that deliver incredibly powerful sound and a surprisingly deep, boosted bass response. Using the companion app, I can easily toggle between 22 different equalizer presets to perfectly tune my listening experience for podcasts, acoustic tracks, or heavy electronic beats. Battery life is stellar, providing 10 continuous hours on a single charge and up to 30 hours with the portable charging case. The case even includes a handy lanyard, making it super easy to clip onto my gym bag or keys. I never have to shout during phone calls because the two built-in microphones utilize an advanced artificial intelligence algorithm to isolate my voice and reduce background noise. With a durable water-resistant build, they easily handle sweaty workouts and rainy commutes, making them perfect for my active, on-the-go lifestyle. Product number 3. Soundcore by Anker Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Headphones Q20i. Stepping into the over-ear category, this noise-canceling powerhouse delivers a premium listening experience at an incredibly accessible price. I am blown away by the hybrid active noise cancellation, which uses 4 dedicated microphones to effectively block out up to 90% of ambient background noise. Whenever I am working in a busy coffee shop or riding a noisy train, I can easily isolate myself with my favorite tracks. The oversized dynamic drivers feature proprietary bass-up technology, providing a thumping low end that makes every song feel energetic and alive. I get an impressive 40 hours of continuous playback with noise cancellation turned on, and a rapid 5-minute charge grants 4 extra hours of music. The dual connection feature is a lifesaver, allowing me to instantly switch audio from a movie on my tablet to an incoming call on my smartphone. Whenever I need to hear my surroundings, transparency mode seamlessly pipes outside sounds right into my ears. Product number 4. Generic Wireless Earbuds Bluetooth 5.4 Headphones. Sometimes you just need a straightforward, durable pair of earbuds that can keep up with intense physical activity. I find this Bluetooth 5.4 model to be incredibly reliable, offering an instant and stable connection the moment I pull them out of their charging case. The integrated LED display is a fantastic touch, clearly showing exactly how much battery power remains, so I am never caught off guard before a long run. Audio quality is crisp and clear, producing a satisfying bass stereo sound that keeps my adrenaline pumping during heavy lifting sessions. They feature a specialized noise-canceling microphone setup that ensures my voice remains prominent and easy to understand when taking important calls outdoors. The true standout feature for me is the robust IP7 waterproof rating, which means they can easily withstand heavy sweat or a sudden downpour without skipping a beat. They are a rugged, dependable choice for fitness enthusiasts everywhere. Product number 5. BERIBES Bluetooth Headphones Over-Ear WH202A. Rounding out my list is a phenomenal over-ear option that perfectly blends extended playtime with supreme, all-day comfort. I am absolutely thrilled by the battery efficiency, delivering a massive 65 hours of playback on a single charge, which means I can go weeks without needing to plug them in. Weighing just a fraction of a pound, they sit so lightly on my head that I frequently forget I am even wearing them, while the memory protein ear cushions gently hug my ears. I love having the ability to switch between 6 different built-in equalizer modes directly from the headset, allowing me to instantly boost the bass or enhance the treble depending on what I am listening to. The Bluetooth connection is rock solid, and if I ever do run out of power, I can easily attach the included audio cable to keep the music flowing. They fold up neatly, making them a fantastic travel companion. That completes my roundup of the most impressive audio gear available on a budget. Check the links provided to secure your favorite pair and upgrade your daily listening experience today.